folks. Louisiana Long here. Out for a little ride. See if this road, if they ever fix the bridge.
Hey folks, Louisiana Long here. I thought I'd give you a different perspective on this video that I put up the other day. As you can see, this is a camera shot from my handlebar looking at me, and then the one in the background is my helmet cam. So this is the same footage, crash footage coming up, except from a different perspective. Hope you enjoy. Let's watch this and see what happens. Never mind, we know what happens. Let's just see how it looks from a different angle.
There's a bridge up here. I don't remember how far, that was taken out some time ago. Last time I was up here, I came through this spot and got through the mud and then fell. Dumb. Whoa, that was close. Need to get a steering stabilizer on this girl. It would help with situations like that. You can't trust this stuff. It's very slippery. And at that point back there, I was not paying attention to what the heck I was doing. Now up here, I think, is where that other bridge was. But it looks like there's been car traffic through here. Yeah, I think this was the bridge. Yeah, because that's, I think, I don't know. That one looks better built, which is possible they replaced it with a good one, because the one that was there was just an old wooden bridge. was it right there, and they did fix it. So I should be able to go all the way through to the Kisatchie grounds. Just trying to find places that are somewhat easier to ride. Big bird in the middle of the road. Hoping to get back into shape a little bit this way. Whatever's going on in my chest, it ain't my lungs, it ain't my heart. Something in between stops me from breathing. But the heck with it, all it can do is kill you. No center stripe, no kidding. Oh wow, they really did some work out here. Maybe this was the spot where the other bridge was out. Nothing looks the same because they've been doing stuff. Oh yeah, that's the spot, because there's that old cabin. Took a couple of clicks out of the compression on the front since the last time I rode, and seems to be a little better. Uh-oh, just ran over something dead for a long time dead. Gravel is kind of like the stuff we rode on going up to Tuck on the Dempster Highway, but this is an inch deep, and that was, I think, 4 to 6 inches deep. But I think these tires are better than the Midas 07s that I had on it at that time. I put the Tractionator, let's see, it's the Tractionator GPS on the rear, and the, I think it's the Desert HT on the front, also the Tractionator Motos. Whoop. Oh no, that's a house. Thought the road turned there. I think I'll sit down for a bit, let my back rest. Don't really want to on this stuff. It's better if you're up on your legs. I haven't been able to get the feel back in from my ride through Canada. Whoa, there goes deer. Where's the other one? They got always two. There's two. I had the bar and peg position and set so that I could stand for miles. Oh shit! That hurt. Oh, I didn't see that till late. Whew. Okay, gotta go.